Hello friends, it's Deepthi here from Divine Veda. Today, let us know about 10 powerful Ayurvedic herbs and spices with their health benefits. How many Ayurvedic herbs are there? There are more than 600 herbal formulas and 250 single plant remedies which are included in the pharmacy of Ayurvedic treatments. Let us know 10 powerful Ayurvedic herbs and spices with their health benefits. These are Ashwagandha, Boswellia, Triphala, Brahmi, cumin, turmeric, licorice root, bitter melon, gotu-kola, and cardamom. Guys, please have a look at this. Ayurvedic herbs are a key component of Ayurveda, the traditional practice of medicine of India. Practitioners will generally use Ayurvedic herbs to cleanse the body, boost defense against diseases, and keep the mind, body, and spirit in balance. Now, let us know these 10 Ayurvedic herbs one by one. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is a small woody plant native to India and North Africa. It can boost brain function and lower blood sugar and cortisol level and help fight against anxiety and depression. Boswellia. Boswellia is used to reduce pain, improve mobility, and a greater range of movement in people with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. It may also help prevent oral infections and fight gingivitis. Triphala. Test tube and animal studies show that Triphala may reduce inflammation caused by arthritis as well as prevent or limit the growth of certain types of cancer. Brahmi. Brahmi used in the improvement in rates, attention, memory, and information processing as well as reduced symptoms of attention deficit hyperactivity disorders such as inattention, impulsivity, poor self-control. Cumin. Cumin may boost the activity of digestive enzymes and facilitate the release of bile from the liver, speeding digestion and easing the digestion of fats. Turmeric. Turmeric has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Test tube research shows that it may be equally or even more effective than some anti-inflammatory drugs. Moreover, compounds in turmeric may help preserve brain function by increasing brain levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, that is BDNF. Licorice root. Test tube and human studies suggest that licorice root may help reduce inflammation and fight viruses and bacteria. It also appears to offer relief from a sore throat and promote oral health. Gotu-kola. One small study suggests that gotu-kola supplements may improve people's memory after they have had a stroke. Moreover, in one study, people with generalized anxiety disorder reported less stress, anxiety, and depression after replacing their antidepressants with gotu-kola for 60 days. Bitter melon. Research suggests that bitter melon may help lower blood sugar levels and promote the secretion of insulin, the hormone responsible for keeping blood sugar levels stable. Cardamom. Cardamom has antioxidant and diuretic properties which lowers blood pressure. It contains cancer-fighting compounds and protects from chronic diseases. It helps with digestive problems including ulcers. It treats bad breath and prevents cavities. Guys, please do subscribe to our channel. Daily, we will be posting videos on Ayurveda, diet and yoga in this YouTube channel, and we will be discussing on how to get cured of various diseases which is affecting the mankind through Ayurveda diet and yoga. I request all of you to share this video with your friends and relatives. This is Deepthi signing off. Thank you.